Joey Votto lost his mind tonight. Check this out, a 1-1 pitch on the corner call, strike two. He's already struck out twice tonight, and he's talking now. And that's going to turn into way more than just lip service. Mask's coming off. He's looking for Brian Price to come on out and help. He gets thrown out.
I would love to know what he said to the dugout right there.
Somebody come on out here and explain to the umpire that was a ball. So he gets thrown out, and this one goes on for a little while.
Yeah, he's a little intense. He's a little hot, which is funny because, like you said, it was only a 1-1 pitch. It's not like he got rung up, but, you know, he knows his strike zone, and you could see that ball was off the plate, and he doesn't want to give